Hello, I'm Dakota Allen, Sales Manager for Safety Zone Water. We're here today to discuss the installation and startup procedure for our iron and sulfur filters using our special air draw control valve. Before we proceed, let me cover an important issue related to any well water installation. It's essential to understand if bacteria is an issue. This is because bacteria is the kiss of death for any iron and sulfur filter, no matter whose filter you're using. So here's the layman's way to test for bacteria. First, you need to go to the back of your toilet where the clean water is stored, take the lid off, and then rub your hand down the side and see if there's any slime or sliminess. If you have that, it's a very good indication of bacteria. So with bacteria, you'll need our home water treatment plant with chemical injection. Here is another precaution. The well pump must have the capacity to provide proper backwash. With a 1-horse pump, you're good to go. Now let's identify the components. You have an air draw control valve, our filter tank, our bypass valve, special catalytic filter media that sits inside of the tank, our air check, and a water check that's installed inside of the valve. Let's discuss how the filter works. Water enters the filter tank where the water is exposed to an air pocket which has been created by the valve. This provides oxidation, which converts the clear water iron to particles of iron which are trapped by the filter media and removed during the routine backwashing cycle. This oxidation also makes hydrogen sulfide more filterable, so sulfur odors are removed. In essence, the air draw valve has 3 cycles. A backwash cycle set for 20 minutes, an air draw cycle set for 30 minutes, and service. All settings are preset at the factory, although the settings are adjustable. All you need to do is set the clock, and here's how to do so. You're going to hold down the down button where it says set clock, hold that down, wait till the number that is on the hour is flashing and change it to the current time, making sure the AM and PM are accurate. Once you get there, you're going to press next, and you're going to change the minutes by pressing up or down, whichever way, and then we're going to press next one more time, and now you'll have the time set. Now let's discuss installation. Install the filter before a water softener and after the bladder tank. You'll need to set up a pipe fitting kit, install the bypass, and construct your drain. For your drain, you use 3/4 PVC since drains need to be free flowing. 1/2-inch tubing is not recommended. Start with the bypass closed, press and hold the regen button. This puts you in backwash until the motor stops spinning. Open inlet slowly. Stay in backwash until the water runs clear. Once the water has run clear, press the regen button again and wait till the motor stops. This puts you in air draw. Listen for the suction sound. Wait to build an air pocket for several minutes. Press regen to advance back to service, waiting for the motor to stop. And then open the outlet to send water to the house. Caution, do not use any iron sulfur filter to fill a swimming pool or for irrigation. Otherwise, you'll exceed the filter's capacity. Be sure to install a weather cover if the filter is going outdoors. Here are some troubleshooting hints. Customer says filter is not working. Odors, stinky water, cloudy water. You're going to check the backwash. Flow should be up to 7.5 gallons per minute. Check the frequency of the backwash. Get into the diagnostics. Listen for suction in the air draw cycle. Check for a softener if there is one. One unique thing about our valve is we do offer a diagnostic. Let me explain how that works. To get into the diagnostics, press both arrow buttons together and hold and wait till something changes. Here you'll see 7 data points. The first one is going to be the software version. Press next to go to the next one. The next one is volume of water since startup. Pressing next again. The third one is total days since startup. Press next again. Then we also have total regens, or the amount of times it's done its cleaning process. Press next again. Then we have any error messages that may have popped up will be stored in here. Pressing next again. You're going to have days since the last regen. Pressing next again. You're going to have volume of water since the last regen. And pressing next one more time will bring you back to service. Thanks for your attention. For more information, go to safetyzonewater.com or you can visit our YouTube channel.